Hey, and welcome to our video tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn how to publish or deploy the application using Caspio's Flex framework. For my use case in today's video, I have created a very simple contact management application where I have three different segments. In the first segment, which is the public access, I have a lead form that anybody can fill out. And for my other two segments, we have for administration and we also have for the sales rep. Within each segment, we have created a few app pages, as you can see here on the left-hand side. And inside each app page, we have a few forms and reports that in the Flex framework, we refer to as data parts. Inside the Flex framework, you have two different methods on how you can publish your application. With the Flex framework, Caspio hosts your entire application using the URL path. However, if you have your own website, let's say in Webflow or WordPress, and you want to embed the Flex applications into your own site, we do provide a deployment code, and we'll talk about that in just a minute. For now, let's talk about if you wish Caspio to host your application. In case you don't have a website, you're going to be using the URL paths that you see on the right-hand side. Each one of these paths can be a little bit lengthy when you initially set up your applications, so we recommend that you click on the pencil icon if you want to shorten the path, so it's something that's a little bit easier to remember. Another thing that I want to mention, let me cancel out of this, and let's go ahead and click on this URL path for our dashboard page. So this is my dashboard page for the contact management system. If you haven't logged in yet as the user, it's going to ask you to log in first, and then once you log in, you will be able to see this page. Notice how in my URL we have net.caspio.app. I'm using a friendly subdomain. Initially, when you first deploy your application, it's going to give you your account ID .caspio.app. But if you want to have a more friendly subdomain, go back to your Caspio account, click on the account settings, and inside the account settings, click on the deployment tab, and you're going to see options for both the Bridge framework and the Flex framework. As you can see, your default URL is going to be your account ID.caspio.app. If you wish to have a friendly subdomain, click on the pencil icon, add your friendly subdomain and click save, and that will now become the URL to your Flex application. You can also have a custom domain that you can bring into your Flex framework. So if you click on the gear icon, enter your subdomain, and then you're going to have to go through a few steps to verify the domain, and then your Flex applications will inherit that domain that you bring into your Caspio account. Let's cancel out of that. Let's go back to our deployment screen. Initially, when you create a few app pages and you come to your deployment screen, each one of these app pages will be undeployed. It's going to look like that. So what you could do is you can use the bulk action to deploy all of your app pages at once or undeploy all of your app pages at once. If you need to make a few adjustments or if you need to fix a few data parts on your app page, we recommend as best practice is to turn off that app page or unpublish it, make your modifications, and once it's ready to be in production again, you can deploy that app page, and now it's once again going to be available for your application user to access. Now, the last thing that I want to talk about is the deployment code. If I go back to my Designer tab, inside my dashboard app page, as you can see, I have 4 data parts. If you use the deployment code and you wish to put all 4 of these charts on your own website, that's what the deployment code allows you to do. It's not going to bring in the navigation menu. It's not going to bring in the logo. It's strictly talking about the data parts that are inside your app page. Because Caspio assumes that you already have your website, you have your logo, you have your navigation menu. All you need to do is embed the functionality. So let's go back to our deployment screen. Let's grab the deployment code and copy it. And what we're going to do is we're going to place all 4 of those charts on this custom URL and custom web page that I've built myself using Bootstrap, and I am hosting the web pages and the URL through Caspio. So we're going to place all 4 of those charts here. I will open up my notepad. I'll bring that into my screen, and here's my placeholder. I will paste the Caspio deploy code. We will save that page. We will use WinSCP to move the local files to our hosting provider. So I will just move that page, make it live. You can also use FileZilla if that's your preference. And now that we move that page live, we can refresh the page. And we can see all 4 of those data parts embedded in our own web page on our own website. And we don't have to use Flex to host our applications. We are using our own hosting provider, our own web pages, and we're simply embedding the functionality using the deployment code. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please visit our knowledge base at howto.caspio.com. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.